time for some workbook. I said time for some workbook. I do not see the big ugly hand. Is he okay?
Okay, these are pages 24 and 25 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And this is the Let's Learn More section. So for this one, we just learned some different action or verb phrases, and we're going to work with them. We also learned to use, instead of saying, what did he, she do yesterday, we learned to ask, what happened? Which is something we ask when there is something surprising or something bad that's happened. All right, so first we have part A that says unscramble, write, and number. And so here we have like all of the words in the verb phrase, but they're mixed up. Star rock a met. So let's go ahead and look at what it looked like in our student books first.
Met a rock star.
Broke a window.
Got a present.
Found some money.
Lost his cell phone.
Ate too much chocolate.
And now let's fill them in. All right, much to ate chocolate should be ate too much chocolate. So let's just trace that. Ate too much chocolate. And that should be this boy. So that's number 1. Okay, number 2 says star rock a met. So I know that the action is going to go first. So it should be met, which is the past tense of meet. Met what? Well, met a star rock? No. Met a rock star. And a rock star is somebody who's very famous for music. Met a rock star. There, that person has a guitar. So that is number 2. Number 3, a got present. That should be first. So put got. Past tense of get, got a present. All right, we're looking for a present. She got a present. We can put 3 for her. Next, money some found. Well, we should put the action first. So found, the past tense for find, some money. Found some money. That's lucky. Let's see, money. There we go, this boy found some money. So that is number 4. And the next one, number 5, says phone lost his cell. Well, lost is the action there, and that's the past tense for lose. Lost his phone cell or cell phone? Cell phone. Lost his cell phone. All right, phone. This boy. Oh, that's the same boy. He found some money and then he lost his cell phone. That's too bad. Number 6, broke window a. All right, so broke should go first, past tense of break. And then broke what? Broke a. Broke a what? Broke a window. Ooh, that's very bad luck. And that would be this girl up here. It looks like her ball went through the window. So she broke a window. And part A is done. And this is part B. And part B just wants us to write in the past tense for each of these action verbs. And in the student books, this was a little box that looked like this. All right, so let's get started. The past tense for eat is ate. Like I ate some spicy noodle soup. The past tense for break is broke. I broke my computer. Past tense for get is got. I got a new car. The past tense for lose is lost. Oh no, I lost my pencil case. The past tense for find is found. Oh, it's okay, I found it. And the past tense for meet is met. I met my friend yesterday. And part B is all done. And this is part C. It just says look and write. So it has one question. What happened? And then we have to guess from these pictures. And we can see that in each picture, the person is either sad or surprised. And so that's why we're asking, what happened? Okay. And I know that what happened is asking about the past before now, because at the end it has ed. And usually when we see a word with ed, it means past tense or before now. All right, so let's start with this girl. What happened? She, and look at all these chocolate wrappers. Ooh, she ate too much chocolate. She's going to have a stomach ache. Maybe she's going to take some medicine, or she's going to lie down now. What do you do if you eat too much chocolate? Number 2, what happened? He, ooh, and look at this. The ball went right through the window. So I'm gonna say he broke a window. He broke a window. And number 3, what happened? She, hey, there's a present. She got a present. Maybe it was her birthday, or Children's Day, or maybe Christmas. Who knows? Number 4, what happened? He, it looks like he found some money. That's why he's happy. He found some money. All right, next one. What happened? She, and this is her phone, so I think she's sad because she doesn't know where her phone is. So let's write, she lost her phone. She lost her cell phone. If she put it on one of those little necklaces, then she wouldn't lose it, right? Last one here, number 6. What happened? He, and this looks like a famous singer or musician, so I'm gonna guess it's a rock star. So maybe he met a rock star. That's cool. He met a rock star. Maybe he went to a concert. Nice. Part C is done. Okay, this is part D. And for this part, it wants us to write the questions and answers. So we're just going to use the question, what happened? Is there surprising things? And then we'll write in our answer. Here we go. Number 1, let's trace. What happened? Big W, H-A-T, space, and then happened. H-A-P-P-E-N, and then make it past tense. So happened is the past tense for happen. All right, and in the picture, he's holding some money, so I think he found some money. He found some money. All right, number 2, same question. It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. We're curious about the action, not the person. What happened? All right, and she this time. She, is this a, yeah, that looks like a present. So let's say she got a present. That's nice. And we're done. Just like that. Great job, everyone.